Welcome to TU Dublin Technology Services Eduroam Android Guide. Using your mobile data or an alternative Wi-Fi connection, open the Google Play Store and search for Get Eduroam. Once found, install the app. Search for TU Dublin and then select it from the list of organisations. Next, select your user group. Next, enter your username. Staff members must add the suffix @tudublin.ie to their staff number, while students must add the suffix @mytudublin.ie followed by their student number. Once you've entered in your username, you will be then prompted for your account password. Eduroam is now successfully installed on your Android device. Thank you for watching from TU Dublin Technology Services.